ごめんなさいでしょ。
Absolute shibari, cold noodles and hot sake. The Mistress Bar in Roppongi is the place for Japanese hardcore. Not the kind you're gonna find at the record store. Not the kind designed for the kind-hearted. Do not catch go, do not get bailed. Go directly to Osaka jail, where you get locked or drunk under the table. Just under 10,000 yen, you can visit hell and come back again for the process of hurting and healing. Cake and candle wax dessert. It's not fun till someone gets hurt. Who's the next to get hung from the ceiling? So if you want rewards and consequence, they got the cruel and unusual punishments. Get on your knees for Japanese instruction. Rope and cigarette burns. Forget about any health concerns. This is pure assisted self-destruction. Come pie and bottoms up, unhelping hands, I'll tie you up. One bad deed surely deserves another. Bruise from bamboo caning, coming home, try explaining this to your significant other. Good fucking luck.
誰が私の足の間を舐めていいって言ったの。ごめんなさいわ。私の目を見て言いなさい。
Here we go, a little Herb Albert, people. Let's try to be supportive.